to Golden Guitar. Bruce Springsteen here with a song called Don't Play That Song. So this is some kind of a love song, but I get the idea here with some bad taste in his mouth, so that hence this title, Don't Play That Song. So great song. It's pretty easy to play. We have 4 chords that goes around through the entire song with one strumming pattern. That's great. So let's start. No need for any capo on this one, so we are going clean. So let's go over the chords. We have first this E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be a C sharp minor. So we need to place a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down. So that means all strings except from this last E up here. So 5 strings like that on the 4th fret, and the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so then we have the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. You could also just place a bar there for the D string and down. Try to stay away from the E there if you choose to go with that bar. Alright, and then the final chord will be a B. So speaking of bar on the 2nd fret, this is what we need for this chord from the A string and down. So from 5 strings here, from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. For this song, I choose to just put a bar there on the 4th fret as well. So from the D string and down, and I stay away from the last E there when I'm strumming. Alright, so there we have the chord progression: E, C sharp minor, A, and B. Alright, now let's just take a look at the strumming pattern. E is the first chord, so one round will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. So that is one strumming round, and you will play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So that is pretty much the song. I'm gonna take you through one chord progression here. So E, C sharp minor, A, and B, 4 strumming rounds per chord will sound like this. C sharp, 2, 3, 4, A, 3, 4, and B, 3, 4, and like this. For the entire song, okay? So C sharp minor. You will go like that through the entire song. So don't play that song. You could play this song once you learn it, and that's pretty much what my mission is for this tutorial. So hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon. See you next time, guys. Play tuned.